In this video, we're going to solve a word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, Sienna was playing a game with her sister Natasha. Natasha asked Sienna questions, and for every correct answer, Sienna earns 2 points. Sienna answered 32 questions correctly. How many points did Sienna earn in total? So the first thing you need to do is not panic, okay? These are just words, and you should be able to figure out just by reading it and breaking it down what this question is trying to ask you. So step 1, determine what type of problem this is. So for this problem, Sienna earned 2 points for each correct answer. So this tells us it's a multiplication problem because every time she answers correctly, she earns 2 points. So it's like you're multiplying what you're earning. So write the next step is to write the problem as numbers. And how does that look? So she answered 32 questions and got 2 points for each one. So that's going to be 32 times 2. So the next step is to first multiply the ones. Okay, so it looks like this. So you multiply 2 times 2 first, and the answer is 4. Then multiply the tens. So you have 3 times 2, which is 6. So you know the answer is 64. And don't forget to finish off with stating the answer in words. So the final step would be to say that Sienna earned 64 points. And that's the end of that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away, just rewatch the video.